By TP-Link, EAP265HD, wireless access point at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Click subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest videos. TP-Link, EAP265HD is a wireless entry point that provides double-band Wi-Fi access to several users simultaneously up to 1750 megabits per second. Dimension for this product is about 8.09 x 7.15 x 1.5 inches, and it weighs 13.4 ounces. TP-Link, EAP265HD delivers superior speeds with mu-MIMO. Outfitted with the latest 802.11 AC Wave 2 mu-MIMO technology, the EAP265HD easily delivers dual-band Wi-Fi speeds of up to 1750 megabits per second to multiple devices at the same time. Mu-MIMO, load balance, and professional antennas improve capacity in high-density environments to connect more devices simultaneously. TP-Link, EAP265HD is integrated into Omada SDN. Omada SDN controller make it easy to manage and monitor the whole Omada network in real time, brings 100% centralized cloud management of the whole network from different sites, all controlled from a single interface anywhere, anytime. TP-Link, EAP265HD wireless access point offers multiple PoE options for easy installation. EAP265HD supports both 802.3 AF at PoE and passive PoE power supply, can be either powered by a PoE switch or the provided PoE adapter, making deployment effortless and flexible. This wireless access point delivers secure guest network along with multiple authentication options and abundant wireless security technologies.